Advice for the new and old affiliate marketer. The web and everything associated with it can seem like a hard thing to get your head around. Affiliate marketing in particular is something that a lot of people struggle to grasp. You just have to remember to have a positive attitude about learning what you need to learn and then to apply it properly. This video will provide you with some insightful tips you can apply to your affiliate marketing goals. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, make it easy for your reader to draw out the information they want. Avoid complicated terms or technical jargon, keep your paragraphs short, and use bullet points whenever possible. Readers are more likely to scan your review quickly and make a decision than they are to read through a lengthy video. To be paid fairly, check if the affiliate marketing program you joined keeps their statistics up to date. Good statistics should tell you how many people visited the website, how many of them bought something, and how many of these sales you are responsible for. If the numbers do not seem right, perhaps the program is hiding information from you. Study and borrow ideas from other affiliate marketers in your niche. Visit your competitor's website, subscribe to their newsletter, and visit their blog. Take time to analyze how they are successfully managing to get sales. Once you have studied their techniques, try emulate them using your own affiliate links and watch your sales increase. Do not panic if you see sales conversions numbers that are only around 1%. If you're holding out for higher than that as an affiliate, you may be holding out indefinitely. In the end, your primary goal is to be successful. The only way you're going to accomplish that goal is by consistent application of good strategies. So, give the suggestions you just read about a chance. You can achieve the success that many others already have. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.